Hello, I'm Moldy. Let me show you how our tilting tables are used to produce pre-stremmage precast concrete panels. This installation features two large format tables, approximately 34 meters long, operating alternately to manufacture panels in different dimensions. Before production begins, the mold is configured according to the required panel dimensions and thickness. The process also incorporates pre-stressing, preparing the system before the concrete begins. Once everything is prepared and checked, concrete is poured and distributed across the working surface of the mold. The tables also incorporate pneumatic vibration and a heating system that can operate with hot water or steam. Once the concrete has reached the required conditions, the strands are cut before the tilting operation begins. Hydraulic cylinders then raise the table in a controlled motion, reaching an angle of up to 74 degrees to facilitate panel removal. From preparation to panel removal, this is the complete production process with a Moldtech tilting table.